to the point where I'm no fun anymore.
I am sorry.
Sometimes it hurts so badly I must cry out loud.
I am lonely.
I am yours, you are mine, you are what you are. You make it hard. Remember what we've said and done and felt about each other.
Oh, babe, have mercy.
Don't let the past remind us of what we are not now.
I am not grieving.
I am yours, you are mine, you are what you are. You make it hard.
Tearing yourself away from me now. You are free, and I am crying. This does not mean I don't love you. I do, that's forever. Yes, and for always.
I am yours, you are mine, you are what you are. You make it hard. Something inside is telling me that I've got your secret.
Are you still listening?
Here is the lock and laughter, the key to your heart.
And I love you.
I am yours, you are mine, you are what you are. You make it hard, and you make it hard, and you make it hard, and you make it hard. Sunday in the afternoon. What have you got to lose? Tuesday morning, please be gone, I'm tired of you. What have you got to lose?
Can I tell it like it is? Listen to me, baby. It's my heart that's a suffer, it's a die, and that's what I have to do.
I've got an answer. I'm going to fly away. What have I got to lose? Will you come see me Thursdays and Saturdays?
Hey, hey, hey.
What have you got to lose? brown canary, ruby-throated sparrow, sing the song, don't be long, thrill me to the marrow. Voices of the angel linger around the moonlight, asking me, said she's so free, how can you catch the sparrow? Lacy lilting lyric, losing love lamenting, change my life, make it right, be my lady.